Hello, amazing customers. We are working in kasoa, and I'm here to give you update on how the marble stones looking so beautiful, so marvelous. This is an stones material that you are using to form a beautiful design like this. Wow, so nice and beautiful. Yeah, hello, amazing customers. If you want the design, let us know. If you want the simple work, let us know. Everything that you want, let us know. You see, we are designing this house with a beautiful design. Our design that looking so nice and beautiful. You understand me? Yeah. Stepping stone design do everything concerning a natural stones. I do delivery, I do installation, and I always take my time and do a very beautiful work across the country, as you can see. You see, so whatever it is, whatever you locate yourself, just give us a call. Oh, give us a call. We work across the country. You see, this design is not a magic. You see, it's not a magic. It's about taking your time, taking your time, taking your time and form the design. That will later come beautifully, as you can see. So Fica jana shadow. Fica jana kwa shadow. Lawe? Like in a drum. Ay! Jika sunyi. That's it. Yeah, man. Kalau lekwa hangkwa.
Yeah, man.
Jika wachwa. Kalau jika wachwa. Devi krama filo.
The family tissue.
Family thing. Okay. Okay, d'accord, kudo yema kudo living stick. Tabi amagata lolo. Bebe yete lolo e. So Carlo, it look like the design you for the front view now. This design look like you understand me. As a somebody will be rough for his own altogether. But this one if you know the rest stones now, you go pay attention if you go know the design. Oh. But me I dey love to use that kind of design. Something way like people they feel the watch but they don't go know what is it unless somebody want to pay attention. People go come and answer the thing. No, you know you understand me. And something way go do way. Some of this say go feed you give somebody. The person go do it go say the thing. No, it not be the same thing. So whatever I did, the watch period and give us a call. We work across the country as you can see. Wow. So if you want a nice design like this, give us a call. We work across the country. Ciao, ciao. Bye bye. Kalau ada kam.